Jake, have you ever had that eerie feeling of walking into a room and forgetting why you're there?
Oh, all the time. It's like my brain takes a vacation without telling me.
Exactly. That feeling perfectly sets the stage for unraveling the mysteries of the present perfect tense and past perfect tense.
Grammar mysteries. My favorite kind. Lay it on me, Sarah.
All right, let's start with the present perfect tense. Picture this: I have misplaced my phone. It's like saying an action happened at some point in the past, but its exact time is not important, and it has relevance to the present moment.
So, it's like connecting the past to the present?
Precisely. You're on the right track. Now, onto the past perfect tense. This one's a bit more nuanced.
Nuanced how?
Imagine this scenario: I had found my keys before the movie started. Here, we are talking about an action that occurred before another action in the past. It's like setting the stage for the past.
So it's like talking about the past within the past?
Exactly. You've nailed it. Let's dive deeper. Imagine you're telling a story about your adventurous childhood, and you say, by the time I was 10, I had already climbed 3 mountains.
Wow, you were quite the explorer.
Guilty as charged. But see how the past perfect tense helps to establish the sequence of events in the past.
Yeah, it adds depth to the storytelling.
Precisely. And that's the beauty of these tenses. The present perfect tense connects the past to the present, while the past perfect tense establishes the sequence of events in the past.
Got it. So, it's all about understanding the timing of actions in relation to each other.
Exactly. You've grasped it perfectly, Jake. Now, armed with this knowledge, let's conquer the English language, one grammatical mystery at a time.
Sounds like an adventure I'm ready to embark on.